A new series that I've recently started on my face. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Keisha. Something that I've recently started to become obsessed with once again is toner. As you guys have seen, I've done quite a few videos regarding toner on my channel, and one of the things that really caught my eye was apple cider vinegar. You guys saw in my previous video I showed you guys how to make an apple cider vinegar toner, and today is, as promised, 30 days of apple cider vinegar toner on my face. I'm going to give you guys a rundown of 30 days using this on my face, and then at the end I'll show you exactly what my skin looks like right now. So if you guys want to see what 30 days of an apple cider vinegar toner did to my face, then just keep on watching. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that big red button to join the Adams family, and give this video a big thumbs up to see more videos like this. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the last day. So today, what I did with my skin routine before filming this video. I'm gonna start off by toning my skin with this, just a little bit, starting from the inside of my face, moving outwards. And I still have not gotten over the smell. It's still disgusting. I have my Simple Sensitive Skin Expert Soothing Eye Balm. Yeah, there's a little bit left there. Put that on my ring finger and dab it under my eyes. I'm going to apply my Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Now this is an oil-free facial lotion and I use this all the time in the morning. It's one of my favorites just because it's extremely simple, it's oil-free, it's just really great to use on the skin, and my skin really does like it. And the last thing, of course, is to apply SPF. I recently got my hands on the Cover FX Clear Cover. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this in my haul. And I'm gonna use this Clear Cover Invisible Sunscreen with 30 SPF. It's day number 1. I just washed my face. Immediately, of course, this thing smells so gross. Like, even though it's diluted, apple cider vinegar has this distinct smell. But if it will help my skin, girl, I don't care what it smells like. It honestly stinks. I didn't get any burning sensations on my skin, which I was very glad, of course, to not feel anything there. Definitely the hyaluronic acid does help it not feel as dry. Oh, it is burning my eyes. Just the aroma of it. But it's not unbearable, and it doesn't feel like tingly or anything. On day 4, as you guys know, my skin does this all the time, my skin started to purge. As you can see, over here, I don't typically get pimples on my forehead, so honestly, as long as it's not the bottom on this side, which is where I typically get it, now it's migrated to my forehead. How, why, I do not know. It actually feels very hydrating, which is weird, but I guess no, because it's watered down. But of course my skin is dry, so I want to go put on some moisturizer. You guys, I just woke up and my skin is looking so much better. On day number 10, my skin really started to heal. Now this was the second week of using this on my face, and my skin looks so smooth. It looked healthy. Obviously I still had dried up pimples on my skin, but it was so much better than it was previously. I haven't even washed my face yet, but if you take a look how much it has healed. Oh my god. Like, this is just scarring, like I'm aware of that, but there's no like active pimples all over my face. Sorry, I keep touching my face, but it's actually super smooth. Oh my god, you guys, this is amazing. On day number 14, I started to notice changes in the actual quality of my skin. Waking up, my skin does not feel as oily. Usually I have a very oily forehead when I wake up. No, I just washed my face, and it doesn't feel tight either. It definitely feels dry because I washed my face, but I don't wake up with a bunch of oil in my forehead, which I always used to do. There used to be tons and tons of oil in my face, and I don't see that anymore. In terms of the actual acne on my face, you'll see they've kind of gone away and turned into like little zits. I've noticed that in the morning when I wake up, I don't see that oil or shine. And especially at the end of the day, that's where I've really seen it a lot. I'm one of those people who blot my face like 3 times a day. And using this, I didn't have to do it as much. I still did, of course, just because that's how my skin is. And it's summer outside, so of course that influences my skin, but it wasn't as bad as it usually is. A lot of the acne that I was experiencing this month had just pretty much been hormonal. And if that's the case, I'm totally okay with that, okay? Just everything else is, not my forte. On day number 20, my skin looked so much clearer. And when I say clear, of course, I mean the overall complexion of my skin. My acne started to dry down a lot more, and I don't see really anything active on my skin. Of course, the dark marks are still there, the acne scars are still there, but I'm okay with that. I can cover that with concealer. As long as the skin itself looks good, I'm happy. Today is the 26th of the month. The month is almost done. I'm in my 3rd week using this on my face. I can't say that this has cleared up my acne, and I also can't say that this has faded my acne scars. But what I can say is that the overall complexion of my skin, if you just even take a look right here, it's so much smoother than it was before. Like, I hope you guys can see. It looks a lot smoother, like especially on the side. Very smooth than it was previously. I didn't break out as much on this side. I did break out on this side of my face over here. I can pretty much say that this toner helped to improve the overall complexion of my skin. Did it get rid of my acne? Not necessarily. I've been using acne products around the same time as well, so it could have something to do with the balance of both of the products that I was using, just the repetitiveness, just how consistent I was with my regime. Whether this specifically impacted my acne, I cannot say that for certain. It did not lighten up my scars. My skin obviously looked a lot clearer, but that probably has more to do with exfoliation than this actual toner. I don't think it actually lightened up my scars. I just think it balanced out my complexion, my oil, and just evened out my skin tone. So before I do my makeup routine, I do want to zoom in and show you guys what my skin looks like at the end of the 30 days, just because obviously you can't see my skin through my makeup. So let's just zoom on in. Don't be scared. This is what we're working with. On this side, you can see there's not very much acne at all. For the most part, they're just like these little ones that are hormonal. They're kind of just going away at this point. I didn't really break out in this area, which is like a major breakout area for me. This is my major breakout zone, and I haven't gotten anything there, so I'm pleasantly surprised. On my forehead, you can see there's not really much going on. I do get oily in this region, so that's not uncommon. As for my chin, I don't really see much on my chin there. It's mostly on the sides for the most part. And by my nose here, everything looks good. I don't see a lot popping up there either. Going on to this side, you can see over here, I did break out a little bit, but not as bad as my skin usually does. Over on my cheeks, this side is usually pretty clear for me, so it's not really too bad. I actually really enjoy how it looks right now. It's not crazy. My skin has pretty much gone through the ringer and back, as you guys know, and this is pretty much the longest tried it video that I've ever done. I don't think I'd be using it every day as a toner just because I don't like the smell of it, and you guys know me, something has to smell good for me to put it anywhere on this. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands right now, but it has to smell good for me to use it, and this honestly does not make the cut. I'd probably still use it in a mask because I still use it when I use my bentonite clay mask. Don't think I'll be using it every single day as a toner just because I don't like how it smells. If you guys are experiencing any overproduction of oil or anything on your skin that you want to balance out, I would definitely recommend using this even for a week, because I did notice a lot of changes in the first week that I was using it. I recommend giving it a try, seeing how it works for your skin. Diluted, of course, do not use it straight on your face, and you should experience good results just like I did. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Comment down below and tell me if you've ever tried apple cider vinegar on your face and how it worked for you. I would really love to know. And if you guys have any other suggestions of what I should try next, then just comment down below. If you guys haven't already subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button. It's totally free, it's 0 calories, and it's sure to put a smile on your face. Stay gorgeous, stay fabulous, and I'll see you lovely ladies and gents in my next video. Bye. Why are you looking at me like that?
Like what?
Like that. You're judging me.
I'm not judging.
You're judging me. Who's extra? I'm not extra.
You need to sit down and have a life update.
A life update about what?
I don't know. A life update.
Ain't nothing new in my life. My life is not that interesting. I've been told, like, people are like, oh, you need to do like vlog videos. My life is not that interesting. My hormones started kicking in because, what's that?